Damn, I think now you can hear me, guys. Now you can hear me. Sorry, I don't know what happened with the audio. I restarted the settings there. So well, yesterday we started the day with a trade in Tokyo. Beautiful trade, almost full TP, but well, it touched the break even, so 65 pips in Tokyo for starts the session. Was beautiful. Was beautiful. To be honest, it was really nice. Because that trade was exclusive for the people in Telegram. I will propose a new entries in Tokyo just for the people there. And so well, let's wait these 5 minutes. If this candle ends like this, we have another point of entry around 3334, something like this. So let's be ready. I'm preparing a long position. Guys. Preparing a long position here. Preparing a sell position in USD Gem. Preparing a long position in NASDAQ. So, well, I'm going to start with gold. So, well, let's wait these 3 minutes. Has nine. If you don't have the option to pay the by the website, my friend, I can. It means probably it's by your country or something like this because by PayPal. So so if you want to get access, just contact me by WhatsApp, and that's it. Simple as that. Contact me by WhatsApp. Okay, this is a long position here. Yes, the people from Pakistan, the access is not available there by PayPal, so you can pay by the web, guys. So well, um, Let's wait these 2 minutes. Let's wait these 2 minutes. Preparing a long position in NASDAQ. Good confirmation into the sun. So, well, I'm going to start with a trade in NASDAQ. This moment, guys, remember we need the price ends with some structure, with some green structure here. What happened now? The thing is, the last candle ends with this doji without volume. For that reason, we didn't take the entry there. Okay. So we're working in an entry for NASDAQ. So for the reason, a little quiet. So the minutes, the minutes, the price near to 3334 looks great. Waiting, guys, waiting the confirmation. So let me read the chat. Let me read the chat here. Oh, LMS is here. Nice to see you, my friend. Skrill give us another subscription, so thanks, my friend, for that support. I really appreciate that. JJ is here. José Iniesta está por aquí también. Alex Félix. Sandy. Vamos a ver. Mansour is here too. Welcome, Angelos. Welcome, my friend. McLovin is here. Nice. Nice people into the chat. Crypto Money is here too. So, well, nice. Skrill, thanks, my friend. Thanks for that membership. Leonardo Rubio got the new membership, my friend. Nice. You're my Habibi. I don't know what is Habibi. I'm nervous because I lost $80 today. Okay. So, well, yesterday we started with a beautiful trade. A Tokyo session, 65 pips with no too much risk. And well, that was great. That was great. It's really nice. Today, starting with the NASDAQ trade. With the NASDAQ trade, let's see the reactions there. Steering to the point of entry. So losing the volume. Losing the volume. Losing the volume here. Devil in the doorway. Oh, sorry, didn't do it. You enter. Just turn it. Yes, I'm working on it. I'm now into the position now, guys. Not into the position. So, well, 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. Mm, losing the point. Losing the point. That's not good for our intentions, guys. So, well, let's wait the next 2 minutes for see what is the last pressure what we can find here. Okay, giving us little reaction there. That's great. So around 3-3, let's see, 35, 34, 34, 33, 34, 33, 33. Could be a great point. Mm. So well, it loses the volume. It loses the volume, guys. As you can see there, we don't have the confirm. We're there. We don't have the confirmation. So um, so let's see. Again, we need to wait the confirmation. So let me read the chat. Um, yes, I use the gem. It's there trying to do some pullback. I already set my alarms to clarify that position. NAS is not giving us a good confirmation there. So let's see what happened with NASDAQ. It depends for this point if we can see a good reaction or not, or I will close the position. Looks really, really strong, the NAS trade. But it's strong in drawdown, not in a good way, because I'm in a long position. Verify. So, well, long position looks risky. Probably at this moment, yes. For that reason, we are waiting the confirmation, guys. At this moment, I'm not into the trade. Just in case, be clear of that. I'm not into any position. Not into the position right now because I'm waiting the confirmation, guys. I'm waiting the confirmation. Um, you need to be clear of that, okay? Waiting the confirmation. What is the confirmation? We need a pin bar reaction, engulfing candle, something like this. Could be a um, really nice trade. But we need to wait the confirmation, okay? Good reaction in NASDAQ, trying to go back to our point of entry. So testing again the 3334. Remember, we are waiting here the confirmation, guys. Confirmation. It's a pin by reaction or something like this. So please, 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 please be clear of that. I'm not into the position. To believe. Trades, Gian, my friend, no. At this moment, no. We are waiting, guys. Remember, we are waiting the confirmation. What is the confirmation? We need the reaction there. Pin by reaction. Engulfing candle, something like this. Now we got this. Looks like a pin by little pin by reaction. But the volume there looks like red, as you can see. Them two dodges. And now we are waiting these 6 minutes for this structure. Okay. So please just be patient. Be patient, guys. Be patient, guys. Be patient, guys. Please, I don't want to see anyone without confirmations. Just there, open the trade because I'm. This is an idea. Now the point of entry could change. Everything can change. Just Just waiting, guys. Around 3334, 3333. It's the zone what I have for make the trade. But if you don't if we don't have the proper reaction here, and let's go, probably we will see lowest prices. So just wait, guys. Just wait. I'm holding the NASDAQ trade. Nice reaction, finally. Really nice reaction for recover the trade. So, well, yes, I'm happy for that trade. Finally, we did well, it made a good reaction. That was great. The ones were asking about the Telegram. Remember, it's not for free. It's a 74. Yeah, 74. 74. $74. 1 year subscription, guys. Be clear of that. So, well, guys, remember for the answer today, if you're thinking, if you are preparing yourself for open any challenge, just go into the perfectmatch.com. If you click the link, you will receive the best offers for many prop firm companies. There you will see discounts, packages, or just offers for the best prop firms, the most trustable prop firms there. Just go there, click into the link. Of course, before opening any challenge, read the comments about that company, read um, the reviews about that company, see how this the company works and everything, because there the profit match, remember, is website for many prop firms, guys. So just go there and see the information. Okay, make me a favor, click the link, um check the best offers into the market, guys. So, well, guys, 3 minutes looks like some pressure for buyers on accumulation here. That's great. That's okay. But we need more, okay? We need more than this for open the trade. So now we are waiting. The trade is not open, just the price is waiting, okay? Waiting. Waiting. So well, last candle. Okay, it gave us that little reaction there. It's a little reaction. Security Block, en la noche también se hace en vivo. No, la verdad es que en la noche no lo voy a seguir haciendo en vivo. Lo voy a hacer solo por Telegram. Me imagino que usted ya está en Telegram, mi amigo. Si no está en Telegram aún, me escribe por favor. Pero sí, básicamente los de la sesión de Tokio los voy a dejar solo para Telegram. Solo para Telegram. Close, it's fine. Bye. Just stop spamming. Yes, exactly. Don't do the spam, guys. If you don't want to be ban of the chat, don't do that type of things. I already explained. We need to wait, guys. How can I draw this? Like maybe with the pencil. Let me check. So yes, just we need the some candles like this with some volume, for continue with that position. If not, if we don't have that pressure, we're not going to open the trade, guys. So probably, if we continue with the downtrend, um, we will open a sell position. Okay, just be clear of that. Be patient, and let's see what happened. Okay, let's see what happened. Be patient. Let me know if you already opened the trade or holding something like this. If you already opened the long position, if you already opened the sell position. Ok, perfecto, Scriptbox, excelente. A usted las gracias, mi amigo, por las donaciones. Lo agradezco de corazón, de verdad. Everyone, so impatience. If you don't have patience, don't trade. You're lucky this guy is streaming his position is for free. Exactly, guys. Um, most of the time I'm waiting. I think 90% of the times I'm waiting the positions and not just open the trades like okay, I want to open the trade, I'm going to open the trade now. Um nope, that's not trading, guys. That's not trading. For that reason, I'm trying always to clarify the positions here and everything. We have another position probably in 3 to 25. If we touch the 35, could be another point inclusive there. So yes, we have many options, many options. So we have a lot of time. We have a lot of time. We start the day, we start the week with a nice trade in Tokyo, 69 pips, 69, 16, 65 pips in positive in Tokyo since a long time without trading in Tokyo, guys. So that was great. That's great. Flex on YouTube? No. We'll continue in just Tokyo session in Telegram and Discord. In the past, I used to streaming in Tokyo session, but now I just Tokyo sessions for the people in Discord and the people in Telegram, like an extra services, you know. And remember, guys, if you want to open an account with a nice broker, BD Markets promotion for the month is a 100 welcome bonus on your first deposit, and you will receive the an email with the steps how to receive the Telegram signals and the Discord support, guys. So if you want to work with a nice broker, use my link. Of course, if you don't use my link, you will not receive the 100 welcome bonus. And of course, you not receive the email for uh, um, the email with the steps to how to receive the channels. Excellent, Clave Boy. Beautiful, my friend. What it was a really nice trade. It was a really nice trade, to be honest. It made the full TP. It made the full TP. Um, but well, it touched first the break even in TP1. So yes, but it was a beautiful trade. It was a beautiful trade. We opened the trade here in Tokyo session. We opened the trade for this uptrend position. That was beautiful. That was beautiful trade. We opened the trade in 3344, 3343, something like this, and then just the price go up instantly. I made the 40 pip, but that candle, this red candle, touched the break even, and for that reason, it didn't made the 40 pip. So well, that things happen. That things happen. Now, guys, it's time. I think it's time to be ready. It's time to be ready because the price had a lot of reactions there. Sellers losing the forest. So let's wait the next 6 minutes for clarify the position, okay? Sky above. More and more. Mm-hmm. 5 minutes. Waiting the confirmation in the next 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. Dun, 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 dun. If the price ends near to the 3334, it could be a nice signal. If the price continue near to the 3332, that's not a good signal, okay? So just be patient. 4 minutes. 3 minutes. 'Sí? Voy. Nice reaction, guys. So that was the confirmation what we need. That's beautiful. That was great. Okay, so let's see. One minute. 1 minute. 3333. 3334 could be a good point. Let's wait this candle in 1 minute. Cap 2. Let's be ready. Okay. $20, 20 seconds, sorry. Okay, perfect. We got the confirmation there. Now just we need the retracement, the row 3 and 3, 34, 33, 33. So let's wait 2-3 candles more for that little retracement. Waiting the retracement, 33, 34. Okay, 33, 34. It's now. Waiting a little more. It's there. 34. It's now. Just waiting these candles. Okay. I'm into a long position now. Position now. Take your own risk. Control the lot size, guys, please. Remember, control the lot size, guys. Control the lot size, please. It's really, really important to control the lot size. Okay. Let me work into the information. 3334. 3334. 3333 could be a good point. Working into the TPs, into the Telegram. And 3330, that's the stop loss. The position it's there. 45. 3:45. Three 45. Working as fast as I can, updating the information. Remember, the most important thing in this channel is the stop loss. If you don't like to use the stop loss, or if you don't like to lose, basically this is not your channel. It's really important to set the stop loss, okay? Be clear of that. Okay, that's the TPS. Let's see the reactions. Good reaction to the point of entry. Really good reaction there. Really nice reaction to the point of entry. So let's hold the position. Really nice position. Very good point. 3333. 3334. We need to continue with this force for the next 7 minutes. It's nothing to celebrate at this point. Just pure patience, guys. Pure patience. And that's it. That's it. Let's expect the price can break the 3335. That's really important point for break. And let's see the reactions there. Let's wait the reactions. Michael Elliott, my friend, let's celebrate in TP1. Let's celebrate in TP1, TP2. But now it's nothing to celebrate. It's nothing to celebrate. Just waiting. Waiting. This pineapple. Always. Fuck these guys. Uh, Pineapple, get out of my channel, please. So, well, had reactions for sellers for that reason. I told you guys, like, we need to keep calm, hold your horses, and let's see the reactions, okay? Testing the point of entry again. So, let's see the reactions, okay? 5 minutes. Testing the point of entry. So, well, está rebelde el oro, sí, mi amigo. Por lo general es así. Un día como hoy, que hay reunión, bueno, que hubo, que hay reunión, no sé. Am, con Donald Trump, Zelensky y otras fuerzas por ahí, puede que esté loco. Why did you choose this trade? It's a hard one, buddy. Because it's my volume buy some. Because for that reason, I choose that trade. Because I saw the confirmations into my volume buy some, and for that reason, I choose it. If you don't like it, just don't take it. As simple as that. I'm from Costa Rica, guys. I'm from Costa Rica. Testing the point of entry again. Holding the same position. Hold with pure patience, guys. Hold with pure patience. That's all, pure patience. The price still there, last 2 minutes. Let's see the reactions. Consolidation in 1 minute. Are you only trade Mr. Chu? No. I trade different pairs. NASDAQ, Dow Jones, uh, silver, Bitcoin. Mm, what else? For pairs, of course, USD Gem, Euro USD, GBP USD. Yes, many pairs, but I trade during the Bitcoin, of course. I trade during the into the Telegram. Into the Telegram. How long has been a trader? 5 years, more than 5 years, my friend. For 5 years and some months more. Si no te gusta, pues no tomes la posición. Si me están, cuando están aquí, comentan que no les gusta la posición, que está mal, que no la tomen. Exacto, José, pero bueno, ya sabemos cómo ese es el proceso, ¿verdad? Por lo general comentan demasiado. Cuando la operación no luce tan bien y cuando se gana, ya dejan de comentar. Así pasa. So, well, the price ends as a doji. It's not the best reaction, of course, not. But well, at least we got the price in blue numbers, so that's great. So still holding there, still holding there. Done. Okay, let's see. Okay. Well, let's see the reactions. NASDAQ didn't look great, breaking the consolidation there. Hmm. Testing the point of entry again. I'm testing the 3333. It's really important to this price, the 3333. Respect that zone, and then we will continue. Now looks like a consolidation. Waiting and holding. Pure patience, guys. Pure patience. Pure patience. Skiller Block, my friend. Thanks for the two memberships. Nice, my friend. Thanks for that. Alex Felix, do you operate Tokyo Session? Yes, I operate Tokyo Sessions. I think you are into the Telegram, right? So so just pay attention into the Telegram because Tokyo Session will be exclusive service for Telegram. Sir, how can we decide what quantity we should close in TP1, TP2, and TP3? The golden principle. That's up to your experience, my friend. To be honest, that's up to your experience. If you want to close 20% for the first CP, it's okay. If you want to close 20% in TP1, it's okay. If you want to skip the TP1, it's okay too. So yes, if you want to skip the TP1, for example, that would be great. So this the next 5 minutes. It's really important to um for the price. We need to see the next 5 minutes in green. It depends. Clayfo, yes, I'm holding that trade. I will advise if something happened near to the 600 23,600. So well, holding both positions. NASDAQ, gold. Okay, good reactions. Finally, good reactions. Remember, guys, to speak in English. Speak in English or Spanish. I'm trying to answer the Spanish. Trato de responder las preguntas en español lo más pronto posible, pero a veces se me van. Igual pueden preguntar en español sin problema. So, well, good reaction, guys. Good reaction. Really nice, beautiful reaction at this point. Beautiful reaction, 3,335. That's the point what the buyers is a must to break and continue for the TPs. So let's see, hold in the same positions. You speak any other languages, Laurito? No, I just speak Spanish, English. TP 3341.5 está muy bien. Está muy bien para si lo quieres cerrar ahí, si lo quieres esperar hasta ahí, está excelente. Pero primero, al menos, si llegamos a TP2, tomar algún parcial ahí, ¿verdad? So, well, uh, hello, Laurito. Greetings for Abu Dhabi. Nice, my friend. This is Dubai, or this is the United, what? United Arabs United. Bueno, Arabia Saudita o Estados, algo por ahí, no me acuerdo. Where are you from? Bruna Lima, dear. Welcome back. I'm from Costa Rica. Sir, I open an account. BT belong to you. Please add me to the group, my friend. You will Reman. You will receive an email with the steps how to receive the bonus and the than the channels. But wait the email. Yeah, United Arab Emirates. Perfect. Nice, my friend. Beautiful countries. Beautiful countries. So well, guys, this candle it's really important. Really, really important. Nasdaq recover. That's nice. And gold recover too. Sir, you're great. Love you to do trading with you. God bless you, sir. It's a pleasure, guys. It's a pleasure. Always, if you're respectful and everything into the chat, I'm going to be there. Um, and just try to understand, guys. Sometimes the position is difficult. Now it's in positive. And well, let's see what happened. Natalia, no. Let's see the reactions. And 5 minutes looks beautiful. 5 minutes looks beautiful. 5 minutes looks really, really nice. So, well, guys, 4 minutes. We need this pressure continue. We need this pressure continue. It's important to continue at this point. So, well, 3 minutes. Really important, the last 3 minutes. We have a highest possibilities to touch the TP1 and the TP2. Let's see the reactions. Let's see the reactions. Uh, well, let me read the chat. Freeman, el mero tico. I have been to Costa Rica, beautiful country. Pura vida para siempre. Yes, that's our phrase, pura vida. This country, it's beautiful, it's very quiet, no issues, no several issues. And the people here is really nice. Which type of volumes do you get decide to trade by from there? Also, did you go to the higher time frames or use volume profile indicators to give us the volume being pushing? Yes, Andrea Tharin. I use daily 4 hours and 1 hours for clarify the volume for the day. Remember, we're doing some scalping, like pips and pips. For that reason, for that reason, we try to do the first TP around 35 pips, second TP 40 pips, and TP3 around 60 70 pips, and then the final TP 100 pips. We try to clarify that positions and then just continue getting profits. But the main volume, I choose the volume for hours, 1 hour most of the time. Daily is important, but most of the time 4 hours and 1 hour. I use the volume indicator. Volume indicator. Hola, ¿podrías tirar algunas palabras en español? También así entendemos los latinos. Paola Gutiérrez Rojoshis. Rojoshis. Claro que sí, querida. Bueno, si usted me pregunta, yo le explico. ¿Verdad? Yo le explico, pero pregúnteme. Ahorita estamos esperando nada más que toque un poco la presión. Tenemos que romper el 33-35 para asegurar objetivos de TP1 y de TP2. Eh, Hasta el momento no quiere quebrar, porque como lo estás viendo, está haciendo una reacción en 33-35 y no quiere quebrar. Pero si usted me pregunta, yo le respondo. Skiller Block, my friend, mi amigo, gracias, gracias por el soporte y por usar los stickers. Bulls, bulls, bulls. Picture not clear, my friend. Use another screen because everyone for here looks like really, really, really clear, you know. And I can find here on the option it's around for 1080 HHD. In an hour, yes, we need to go there. My expectations, is like it's in a 1 hour and 15 minutes. So my expectation is stay in break even after the before the meeting, of course. So let's see. 3335 is the important point to break this one, guys. This one. This point, the 3335, is important to break it. And then if we break the 3335, we will see prices around 3337, 3338. Okay, but we need to break that point. So, well, most of the people here seeing the blue numbers, so that's great. Reaction there. No, my friend, I don't change my stop loss on break even. There is a good reaction or no? Yes, this is a good reaction because we're in blue numbers, right? So let me clarify in 5 minutes. It's important. The next 2 minutes is a must to stay in green. Why? Because it means in 10 minutes we will break the 3335. So, well, just patience, guys. Pure patience. Pure patience. The break even is it's not time to break even. Just if we touch the TP1, we will see the break even. At this point, we're holding. Of course, if you don't have the experience, if you feel very pressured, the pressure, if you feel like very sad with the entry, inclusive with the blue numbers, you can close it or set your break even with no issues. The ones with more experience at this point, you can hold with me and let's see what happened at this point, okay? So, well, good reaction. Good reaction, guys. Almost TP1. Almost TP1. We need more pressure. We need to break it. We need to break it. That point in 10 minutes looks great. Nothing to celebrate. Remember, we will celebrate some celebrations. We can do it. The nine. What happened? We already break the 3335 in other time frames, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, of course, in 1 minute. Um, but we need to break it. The main break of a structure, what we can see, we need to see, it's in 15 minutes. So we need to continue like this at least in 3336 for the next 8 minutes. So well, the price, the sellers, as you can see, guys, is trying to. It's trying to defend the point. It's a, they are defending the point of 3335. So as usual, I prefer, I prefer like the last 5 minutes ends in green than the first 10 minutes ends in green. For example, I prefer just the last candles ends in this point. So well, 3335 again. 3335 again. Let's see the reactions. Just waiting. Hard reaction in 3335. So give me 1 moment, guys. I need to go out 1 moment and back. So well, testing the point. Good reaction again into the point of entry. So well, holding the same position, holding the same position. Some people close the trade, and uh, well, it's totally valid. At this point, I'm holding. Okay, guys, I'm holding. What happened now? We need the price ends near to the 3336. That's what we need in this point. So well, at this point, my breakfast is there, is done. So I'm going to eat my breakfast, but it is not going to take me more than 10 minutes. Okay, so stay there, guys, and I'll be back. Okay, I'll be back. I'm going to eat and back. So, well, reaction again for sellers in 3335. Let's see if we will see a good reaction in 3332 or not. So it will depends for the next minutes. It was a really nice trade, the last one, but at this moment looks really nice with a hard reaction for sellers. So what happened now? We need to see here. It's at our point of reaction 3332. That the last point of reaction what we have. If the sellers break that point, we will see the probably we will see the 3330. So we need the reaction at this point. Let's see. Trying to give us some reactions there. So well, reaction again for sellers looks like a really strong candle. Okay, buyers trying to defend the 3332. So that's a great signal, but we need the go back in the next 5 candles near to our point of entry. Holding the same position, holding the same position. So well, 3332. Last 5 minutes. Holding the same positions, pure patience. For that reason, we have an stop loss there because this is the 39 pips stop. So we need to assume there. So you can see, guys, the price and the sellers and the buyers don't want to give up at this point. 3332 again. Okay, last 5 minutes. Well, last 4 minutes. Mm, 3332 again with not a good reaction. In 5 minutes, looks like a bean bar. That was great. Same in 10 minutes. It looks like an engulfing candle. So now just the option is what options what we have. Hold the trade with patience, and let's expect the price ends to the 3333. So well, little reaction there. So well, this is the last two candles. We need to stay there near to the 3333. That's the only thing what we need. So well, let's see the reactions for this last candle in 1 minute. It's very, very important to this candle ends near to the or more than our point of entry. So that was great. Last seconds here. The sellers lose all the pressure what they're having to break the 3333. So that's great, but well, some seconds more, and let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. hmm Testing the point of entry again. So that's great. Beautiful. Mm. So, well, what happened now? We need to break another point. That's not good for our intention. It's the 3334. We need to break the 3334. That's the that's the deal. Okay, let me read the chat. So I will trade tomorrow. Okay, perfect. Strong about to meet with the Zelensky as leader. You think it's a good time to trade? It was a good time. It was a good time. 1 hour ago when we opened the trade. Now we are very close to that meeting. But the thing is, that meeting it's going to take around 2 or 3 hours with no clear information. So well, testing again the 3332. Testing again that consolidation. Sorry. 3332. So it's a must. The buyers defend that point in the next 12 minutes. If we break the 3332, what happens if we break the 3332? Probably we will see the stop and lower prices. Okay, for that reason, our stop loss is in 3330. 3330. It's our stop loss. And please be clear of that. Okay, no more than that. If we if the buyers lose this point, they will test 3325, for example. So for that reason, the stop is in 3330. No more than that. Okay, 3332 again. Good reaction. 10 minutes. Okay, last 9 minutes. The buyers continue with some pressure. Three, 332. So well, last 7 minutes. Sandy, go. Probably yes. Boring, very very boring, my friend Adrian. Meshka, it's not boring. It's dangerous at this point to touch our stop loss. Well, um, let's see. Let's see the reactions. Just wait. Just wait. Pure patience. Pure patience. That's all. I'm holding. I'm holding Infinity Tech Solutions. If you want to close it, it's up to you. I hold my position. You can reduce, for example, the lot size at this point, or close it if you want. But at this point, I'm holding. I'm holding the position. It's important the buyers continue defending the 3332. That's really important. But the other way. So basically, if the buyers lose the 3332, unfortunately, high probabilities to touch the stop. Now it's an accumulation in 1 minute, and in 5 minutes looks the same. This is the last five candles, so it's important to go back to the 3 3 34 in the next five candles. It's Really, really important. So pure patience, guys. Pure patience. We don't have another option. Like just just wait. Just wait. News is Trump talking to Ukrainian president. Yes. Zelensky with Trump today. Let's see. Let's see what happened. Looks like a little reaction for buyers. That's great. I'm holding the same position. 3332 again. 31 at 90. So well, recovering some pips. Let's roll to the 3333. That's really, really important to go there again. And the last two candles. The last two candles now. Last candle. Consolidation in 1 minute. Sellers winning the point. But even if they are winning, they are unable to pass the 3332 for some reason. So let's see if the next candle could give us a good reaction or not. We're still into the trade. I'm holding the same position for a long position at this point. Even if you open the trade now, for example, because I'm seeing some people opening the trade, um, it's a must to continue with the same stop loss 3330. No more than that. Okay, no more than that. So well, let's expect a good reactions. Let's expect a good reactions in the next candle. Some reactions for buyers. Guys, remember the most important thing in this channel is the stop loss. Okay, why? Because if we touch the stop loss, probably today or tomorrow, I will recover that stop loss. Okay, so even if we touch the stop loss, don't hold positions in negative. Don't hold positions in negative. I will recover the stop loss. Okay, so don't worry about that. This position looks difficult, very, very difficult. We are still there. So let's see if we can break the 3334. It depends for this candle if we can break that points. Okay. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Just wait. Breaking the 3332. 1 minute. Breaking the 3332 in 2 minutes. So well, if the price ends like this in the next candle, we will break um the structure in 5 minutes. What structure? The point of 3332. So let's see if they can go back or not. It depends. It depends for um the next this candle 9 seconds. 3332 still there. Well, the price is still there near the 3332. No, I think it break it. So, well, finally, a good reaction. Finally, a good reaction, guys. So, well, this is nothing. This is nothing if we don't break the 3,334. Okay? So just be patient. Finally, well, the good thing is that the candle in 10 minutes ends in 2 minutes. So this candle will validate again our point. So we need to stay there just in the next 2 minutes. Let's see the reactions. Patience, guys. Pure patience. The ones who open the trade at this point, of course, you will have a better position. Better position. But um but this it is the stop loss is a must to be the same, guys. It's not an option to change the stop loss even if you have a better point of entry. Be clear of that, okay? Be clear of that. 3,330 is our stop loss. No more than that. No more than that. No more than that, guys. Okay, testing the point of entry again. 'So well, this is a good reaction, but well, we need to break the 3,334. That's the important thing now. So well, hard reaction into the 3,334. So that's not good. That's not good, guys. To be honest, why? Because we will back to the same point. 3 minutes. So well, at least the price is a must to stay near to the 3333. Was a hard reaction. Last two candles. Okay, price going back to the 3333. Losing losing all the pressure for buyers, unfortunately, back to the 3332. So well, um holding and buyers try to defend the 3332. What happened again? Again, another candle. This is a doji. First attempt to break the 3334. Well, that reactions is like this. Not too much to do, just holding the same position. Let's see the reactions. So well, trying to break the 3333, so that's important. So that this candle ends in the good position. I don't know if someone is holding. Mm, the point is the same for NASDAQ. Drown down so hard. Hmm. Good reaction. Holding two positions, NASDAQ and gold. Expecting in this candle the next 10 minutes give us um, that reactions to go straight to the TP1, TP2. But well, it depends for the next 10 minutes, guys. It depends for the next 10 minutes. So, okay, price going back to the 3333. Not too much drown down. Recovering some pressure. So that's nice. That's nice. It's the same for NASDAQ. So let's see if this attempt we can break the guys. Remember, if you don't want to be blocked in WhatsApp, don't ask for the free things. The channels is not for free. If you ask me about the free access, I will block you. Jesus be key. So we're testing the point of entry. Testing the point of entry. Testing the 3334. Okay, buy in 3335. Okay, not the best point. Osama. David Longa, comprar, comprar, comprar. Y esperemos que sí se logre. Queen's Place. Okay, this is people lifestyle. My friend speaking English. Speak in English, my friend. I was trading the range in NAS. Yes, NASDAQ is ranking. It's ranking at this point. I'm waiting this 5 minutes to clarify this. I think we can go up in both sides. So well, last 3 minutes. So that's important. 3 minutes at this point. It's really, really important. Important two candles. Important two candles. We need to break that 3350. That's really important to break that point. Last candle. Important candle in 1 minute because it's giving us a volume for buyers finally. And of course, in 1 hour, respecting the 3332. Okay, good. It break the. It go back to our safety point. Now we got the reaction zone for buyers in 33.40. What is the idea now? Break the 0.5 here. Here, that's the important thing. That's the important point to break if we want to clarify the position. Okay. So well, uh, good reaction, but again, it's going to test the 3332. Go back so hard. It's taking 3332. Going back so hard. This is the last point of reaction. 31.50. Probably it will break that zone. So let's see. We got the like a nice reaction into the last candle. I mean, these two candles, the sellers delete all the efforts for the buyers. Testing 3331. So well, in 5 minutes it didn't look great. Again, engulfing candle in 5 minutes. So probably we will see a consolidation or something like this. See if according for the news. So if we go back to the 3336 at least, or a 3335, I will try to close that position. Okay, because it's taking a lot of hours. It's taking many minutes. So so yes, that consolidation looks um very very how can I say, like, very aggressive, we are in front of the some high impact news. So I was expecting a good reaction, to be honest, in this scandal. I was expecting a really good reaction. 3333. Why? Because the last scandal gave us a beautiful body with pressure and everything. But well, now it's going back so hard. So well, some volume was a good reaction. But well, let's see what happened there. We need to continue with the pressure. Harley ese está cambiando la tendencia. Como yo lo veo, los sellers no, no están haciendo el esfuerzo correspondiente para continuar con la tendencia bajista. Pero bueno, a veces sale como estas últimas spikes que quisieron mandarlo nuevamente. Que esperar, esperando. Sorry for my dog, guys. My dog Well, I have two dogs. The ones who are barking, who is barking. It's 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 a Labrador, and the other one is a husky. And the husky, she is taking a shower. So for that reason, the dog is trying to bark because he's missing the dog, the other husky. So well, 5 minutes looks great. Some reactions, some reactions, and that reactions looks great because in 5 minutes it's recovering some points. Okay, so that's important into these positions. I don't know if someone is holding. I'm still holding the trade. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Holding two trades, the NASDAQ trade and the gold. So well, was a good reaction there. Good reaction in the last 4 minutes at this point. Last 4 minutes. So we're going to take advantage for the answer today. So remember, if you are thinking to take any challenge, any prop firm challenge, just go into the propfirmmatch.com. There you have the link into the chat. You will see the best offers, the best promotions there. Of course, the best discounts into the propfirmmatch.com for many prop firms companies, and the most trustable are listed there. So just make me a favor, click there and take the best decision. Read the comments, read the reviews, read the stats for the companies. That's really important. And then just go into the challenge. Click the link on propfirmmatch.com for see that information, guys. So well, let's see. Compra. So, well, we will continue there. We will continue there. Not too much. Last 2 minutes. So, well, going back to the point of entry, going back to the point of entry, again, we need to break the 0.5, the 3334. So that's really important. Now back to the point of entry. The ones who take the entry in a better position, probably you're seeing blue numbers at this point. But the thing is, at this point, you need guys to understand the news. What is the news? In around 2 3 hours, guys. Around 2 3 hours. Now it's just the meeting. It's now. This the people is entering. Chill, relax. Like say hello, and then the news. Probably this will take. We have around 2 hours. 2 hours for this rate. 1 hour, 2 hours more for take this the trading safe in B. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. At this moment, Zelensky is arriving into the White House. So that means the meeting is not starting at this point. Probably it will happen like Friday. Like Friday, I was expecting the meeting starting at this hour. Just the people informing me like it's going to take 2 3 hours. So yes, probably at the end of the market we will see the reactions for the decisions what they are going to take here. Okay, but now we are in safe, not a high volatility. Not a high volatility at this point. We are in a consolidation. Unfortunately, I think I take the not the best point for that um, consolidation. Probably around 3332 could be a better point, to be honest. Well, let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. It happened to me in the NASDAQ trade, going back to the point of entry, and gold is still there. So some reactions there, yes, but it depends for the next minutes. I use BT Market too. Perfect, my friend. Your daily dose. Remember, if you want one really nice broker, BT Markets is your option. 100 welcome bonus on your first deposit. Telegram and Discord access will provide if you use my link. But first, you need to follow these steps when you open the account. They are talking now. Yes, Niga, it's here. Finally, Zelensky, it's there. So, well, we can. I just need to see some blue numbers, you know? Yeah, well, thanks, my friend, for the support. I'll be back in 5 minutes, guys. I'm going to check what happened with my daughter. I'm back. So, well, guys, at this point, the meeting starts. Um, let's wait these 5 minutes. We will take the decision. According for the last 5 minutes for this candle, if the price continue like this, not passing the point of entry, we will close the trade. Okay, let's wait the 5 minutes. 3332. Probably we will close this trading negative, guys. So take care of that, okay? Take care of that. The meeting is now, and the price is not moving. Basically, we started this trade around 2 hours ago, and nothing has happened. So for that reason, sometimes we need to accept that results. And well, it depends for the next 3 minutes, last 3 minutes for this candle. So well, let's see the reactions. 2 minutes. Okay, last 2 minutes. And I think the instrument's working, guys, or not. Some people is telling me the streaming is not working. Okay, guys, it's time to close the trade. Close the trade now. An unsuccessful trade. Trade closed. 14 pips. Trade closed now, guys. Trade close is now. The trade is closed now. Not a successful trade. Not a successful trade. Unfortunately. For the people in Telegram, the successful trade for today was the NASDAQ trade. So, well, the trade is closed, guys. The trade is closed. The trade is closed. For NASDAQ, take the 50%, hold him in B. 32 pips in positive NASDAQ. That was great. Not too much. Not enough to recover the goal. Lower lot size in NASDAQ, what I use. So, well, guys, the trade is closed. The trade is closed. Unfortunately, guys, the day was not that a good reaction. As you can see, reactions in both sides with a downtrend. David, sí, cerrar posición es ahora. Se cierran las posiciones ahora. La verdad mejor no seguirlo y listo. So, well, guys, 14 pips in negative. Not too much. Not too much. First trade of the New York session was a buy position. Minus 14 pips. 14 pips. And we will add here some pips in NASDAQ. So 31 pips in NASDAQ, so that was great. But NASDAQ is still holding in break even because I'm seeing that reaction. I'm seeing that reaction, that spike. So for that reason, in break even. So 32 pips positive trades in NASDAQ and 14 pips in negative in gold. Now the resume of the day: first trade, long position in gold in Tokyo session, 65 pips in positive. Second trade, this one, minus 14 pips in negative. And NASDAQ give us 32 pips in positive. Hopefully, everyone follow the steps in NASDAQ, of course. Well, let's see the reactions for. I closed the position. I closed the position. I don't know why some people is telling me the live is not working. Okay, let me trade this close now. YouTube have problems. So, well, guys, remember, if you want more entries by Telegram or Discord support, you can contact me by WhatsApp. It's $74 1 year subscription. It's not for free. So, well, guys, not the best day. So everyone is seeing the stream or just losing the stream? I don't know. I'm not sure. People can hear screaming. So what? We have if we have problems, it's time to close the stream. Remember, if want more entries by Telegram or Discord, just contact me by WhatsApp. It's a $74 1 year subscription. Okay. See you there, guys. I appreciate everyone here. Thanks for the good comments. Thanks for the bad comments. Let's wait the results for Donald Trump. Okay. Let's wait the result for Donald Trump, guys. See you in for the people in Telegram. See you all in Tokyo session. The others, I'll be back in New York session.